Political decentralization it stands for the establishment of new level of government like the autonomous state India or province of Canada. In the federal system, political authority is divided between the central government and the regional government. Creation of autonomous local government, federal state USA, India, and United States in Britain, Japan. Establishment of the city government, USA and Panchayati Raj Municipal Corporation, India, county government in the Britain, and the preferential government. Territorial decentralization is the area administration unit, higher authority, and creation of division, district, taluka, circle, and so India. This is vested with the decision making. Functional decentralization implies the vesting of decision making authority in the specialized unit. Creation of technical professional body in India like University Grant Commission, Flood Control Board. Doctrine approach it's considered to decentralization as a itself not a mean to the realization of the goal. Political approach it says that the creation of the decentralized unit with the set of the operation autonomy. Administrative approach is the better decision making and faster problem solving. Dual role approach that was field of administration and traditional change resolving the conflict. Status quo oriented colonial field administration. Marriage to centralization provide the maximum control. Work is performed in the same manner and its accordance with the same general policy. It makes the administration abuse more difficult. Employment handling the personals, secure the economy, that avoiding the duplication of the work, facilitate the introduction of dynamism in organizations for the achievement of the leadership, suitable dealing with the emergency and anticipated matter, enable the maximum utilization of the human and material resources. Demerits leads to the delay. It makes the head office overburdened, lead to automatic control and make the administration irresponsive. It does not facilitate the people participation, does not allow development and cannot conducive for the expansion of diversification. Merit of decentralization increase the administrative efficiency, reduce the workload, develop the resourcelessness, self-respect, subordinate by the making the take decision sense of responsibility, make the administration more responsive as a field unit with the knowledge of the local government, facilitate the people participation, allow the development and executive, and it encourages the expansion of diversifications, facilitate adaptation of the national policy of the program varying conditions, alleviate the problem of the communications and overload and reducing the paperwork. So decentralization has more important justification than the administration. It comply the coordination integration activity of the various unit, make the communication among the various level difficult, thereby reduce the effectiveness. It makes the administration expensive due to the duplication of work. It is not suitable for dealing with the emergency, increase the division force organization, thus threaten organization integration, weaken the national perspective. Charlesworth, effective decentralization field office should be report to the central agency. Jurisdiction line should be meticulous down. Procedure in the several field office should be common stands. Field office should have a sufficient flexible physical and psychological structure. Field office should make the decisions affecting the overall policy, so that should be encouraged to make its down decision. System of ready appeal suggestions. Factor of responsibilities in central agency is the responsible for everything in the organization, does not easily delegate the wide discrepancy authority and is prefer to direct and control the operation. Administrative factors these include the age of agency, stability of the policy, method, competence and personal pressure of speed, economy, administration, and frequent references to this centralization. The more competence field studies, the greater prosperity and decentralization. Functional factors are the scope of decentralization greater in the multifunctional organization, unidirectional to the similarly technical nature of the functions and perform the agency necessitated to decentralization. External factors include a demand for the people participation, administration of development program, political party, internal group, and need to strengthen the grassroots democracy. Willoughby is distinguished between the patterns of the organization, namely the unitary and multiple unitary territorial system, all the fields, and under the supervision and control the administration. This found the France where all the officials are central government. Luther Gulick, short arm, long finger, long arm, short finger, regional office, which is finger indicate the lines of communication is reaching to the lowest level. All finger type of headquarter control to the fields and directly. Short arm, long fingers, regional subdivision and physical headquarter. Long arm, short fingers are the regional subdivision physically located field itself away from the headquarter. Short fingers is away from the long fingers are the headquarter. They control the field office in their respective spheres. Monet, delegation is the conferring specified authority higher to the lower authority. Terry, delegation means conferring authority from one executive to the another. Millet, delegation is the authority means more than simply assigning the duty to one another to the details. So assignment of the duty by the superior to the subordinate. Grant करना authority को delegated to the delegate to the facilitate the work assigned to him. Creation then obligations. No further delegation obligations. So it must be clarified here that the scheme of delegation subject to the supervision and control of delegator. Authority once delegated can be enhanced, reduced, taken back to the delegator. Delegating authority is the neither transferred. Final authority is not abrogated. To some, delegated stand for the grant of the authority superior to subordinate attainment of the assignment. The delegation will retain delegated authority, but its exercise the permitted to delegate. This delegation has the dual character. Is Terry observed it is something like the imparting the knowledge. Who possesses the knowledge, you will retain the knowledge. MP Follett considered the concept delegation is the myth and believed that hence who does the job authority whether the superior like or not delegated. The term delegated authority is thus a obsolete expression. Related concept delegation is different from decentralization, devolution and deconcentration, which also imply transfer of authority. In the word of Mutalib, deconcentration is the based on administration action, devolution is the legal, and decentralization political legal administration. For example, Panchayati Raj is decentralization while the office of district collector deconcentration. Transfer of authority from the center to the state imply the devolution. Transfer of authority is the devolution. Downward, upward and sideward. According to Terry, delegation is not necessarily downward, it should be the upward and sideward. So downward नहीं होता है. It is further explained below. Delegation is downward when a higher authority delegate to the lower authority. Delegate upward when a lower authority delegate to the higher. Sideward when it's equal to the all level. Outward delegation is when the authority is granted to the outside body which is not under direct control. Permanent and temporary delegation is permanent when authority is conferred, while it's temporary when authority is granted for a short period. Full partial delegation is full when complete power granted to delegate to take the final decisions, and when delegation has consulted with delegator on the important aspects not assigned to him. Normal delegation is partially full delegations, and when diplomatic it's sent for the power to the negotiate. Conditional delegation is conditional when delegation actions delegate in the subject to control the confirmation of the delegation, which is unconditional. Formal informal delegation is formal when based on the written rules. Direct intermediate delegation direct when no third person involved, while it's a intermediate when they throw the third person. Delegation is direct. Intermediate delegation is rather rare, but Monet gave the two instead of the such delegation election of president proper through the electoral college. Reduce the burden, avoid the delay, have proper adjustment of policy, train the subordinate art of the sharing responsibility, develop the second leadership, overcome the complexity, increase sense of responsibility, overcome the congestion. Even the essential the advantage, no superior render himself superfluous delegating. He has retained some important power to exercise the effective control. Thus, the extent of delegation depends upon the nature of the cases. The power of supervise the work to first line immediate subordinate to power sanction the expenditure above specified amount, power to section new policy department or policy, power to make the rules regulation, make the specified appointments, power to hear the appeal against the immediate subordinate. Hindrance, lack of well established organizational method है, unstable non repetitive character of the work, lack of effective means of internal communication, centralization, special program, smaller size, narrow geographical organization, lack of effective means of the internal coordination, lack of well defined position, term responsibility, incompetency, low caliber होता है, the laser age of the organization and constitutional legal policy restraint. Personal hindrance, person rise in the position, hierarchical leadership have more than normal egoism, officer not have the proper decision on the carry them to desired manner, fear disloyal subversive power of the center developed by the among the subordinates, strong vigorous and highly motivated person, impatience with the slower pace and indecisiveness, public administration political consciousness often make the delegation difficult, cultural heritage man has been one authoritarian patriarchal leadership, thus the practice delegation partly. Like delegation required emotional maturity and the rare even among the successful. So the symbol of leaderships are their inconsistent philosophy of delegation. Person desire to delegate not know how. They do not have the how to list. Two reasons: signs of organization managers immature, their work experience is not taught, and there is relegation because most organizations fail to practice the delegation. Delegation should be specific and written. Delegation should not be made of the individual but the position. Competence of the subordinate should take into consideration. Authority responsive delegation should be properly planned. Delegation should be followed the use chain of command and well-defined policy and regulation procedure. Communication system should be kept free and open and systematic reporting होनी चाहिए. Delegation should be followed by the performance appraisal system based on the principle of unity of command and adequate resources. Etymology speaking, supervision is the compound of two terms, super and vision. Supervision is all the virtual activities, superintendent, direction, control, guidance, inspection, and the coordination. Supervision inherent to the hierarchical structure organization which is employed at all levels subject to supervision. Immediate in this context, Pifner is the from one point view to the supervision is the hierarchy to its highest superior. Chief supervision division heads who is the supervise the section heads who supervise the rank file. As all the persons authority who control the work others is supervised. Meaning supervision direction accomplished to the authority. Supervision means the guiding the directing the efforts to employ. Supervision process which is work to the headed by the design staff and according to the needs. My supervision job involve the three phases of aspects: sustain technical, institutional objectives, personal, human. May let achieve the coordination, ensure the each unit to the agency accomplish the task, selecting the right person, arousing each person interest his work and teaching to the how to do it, measuring the grading performance, administrative correction, fitting right person, understanding the duty, planning, dividing the work, improving the knowledge, training, evaluating performance, correcting the mistake, keep subordinate informed, cooperating, and the dealing with the suggestions. Single plural. When a member organization is supervised by one superior, known as single supervision. On the other hand, when member organization supervised the various supervisors, known as plural supervision. Principle of unity of command, Henry Fayol, and based on the principle of functional foremanship, Taylor. Line and functional. Line supervision means the control exercised by the people in the line of the command, the direct commanding nature. The functional supervision, on the other hand, is the control exercised with the subject matter O&M person auditor, it being a staff function influenced by the command, thus advisory nature, substantive and technical. Millet classified the substantive supervision technical, and the former deal with the actual work and the urgency, while the latter concerned with the methods. Approval individual subordinate unit. Before this, any individual outside framework of the policy in the India development projects are permission department heads. The system prior approval they enable the superior authority to obtain detailed information about the operating unit. Promulgation and service standard. The supervisor is the prescribe certain standards, target subordinates, and work for promptly and properly operating the agency. Budgeting, limiting upon the operation. Budgeting fixes the magnitude of the operation to the handle the operating units free and spend money. The work budget is allotment method, delegating the authority and encouraging the initiative, while the still is central control or magnitude of the operating unit. Approval of subordinate personnel. Higher authority can exercise the control of the subordinate, providing the approval, and the approval made the system and facilitate the superior authority and supervise the recruitment process. Reporting the system. Superior authority supervise the activity operating unit and submit the report to evaluate the performance operating, to acquire the information, know the whether is the exercising rule regulation are observed, clarify the management, facilitate the performance audit, acquire the top management with the problem faced by the subordinate, instruct and guide the people, build the personal relationship, mutual acquaintance, confidence, improve the efficiency, inspection, facilitate the management to have a first knowledge. Operation subordinate, however, it's usually used for the purpose of fact finding, but now the main purpose of the investigate the alleged to the incident of concern with the personal wrongdoing and criminal nature. So former has the negative roles and the review to the more positive role. Inspection investigation part of the process of supervision which is certain to the more comprehensive term. Command of job, personal qualification, teaching ability, general outlook, courage, fortitude, administrative technology, curiosity, intellectual ability, and say thoughtfulness, fairness, initiative, tact ability, enthusiasm, emotional control. Likert supervises. Likert exert the heavy pressure of the get the work done. Exert the little pressure. It's have the little confidence. Exercise close detailed supervision. general supervision, and the confidence and trust ज़्यादा होता है. NC's Lincoln Michigan study proved to be the degree of supervision exercised. So here is the level of production and work output. Employers the where supervisor production centered and perform within the prescribed standard based on the Likert classification of job center and employee centered. Allow to the little freedom, do not permit the participation and are punitive and devote more attention to the work. Allow to the subordinate schedule their own peace and work, permit the maximum participation decision making. Subordinate को help करता है, devote more attention to responsibility. Line and establishment organization is government consists three type of agency, that is line is the distinction between the organization unit. Line agency is directly work for the achievement of the organization purpose. Staff agency advise assist करता है. Auxiliary agency provide the housekeeping and the LD-wide business. Government is transcribed with the mean of the elaborate organization. Superior subordinate relationship based on the principle of specialization. So there was some concern of the advisory and preparatory operation on the staff and advisory system. Staff auxiliary agency necessary for the large complex organization. Administration is the staff public administration output from the military administration. Preference and precedence. In general, the distinction between the staff and follow the between the direct and indirect labor. Only for the staff organization describe the deliberate organization thought just to the organization and the right adjustment between the line and constitution. Operating to the hierarchical relations is man. Line staff characteristics authority relationship, not department activity. Government department, public corporation, government companies, independent regulatory commission directly carry out the function accomplishing substantive objective organization. They are given the authority to make decision and the issue order to directives. They directly come into contact with the people and provide the various services, the ability to conduct the taxes, making the decision, taking the responsibility, defining the policy, maintaining the production and efficiency. Staff agency, cabinet secretary, PMO, cabinet committee, planning commission, department, economic affairs, finance ministry, personal ministry, finance ministry. They perform the secondary and supportive functions, accomplishment of the purpose. They do not have the authority to make decisions and issue order directives. They role the advisory in nature. They exercise some influences. They do not come in the contact with the people directly. They function anonymously according to the Brown Law Committee, and the staff should have a passion for the anonymity. Information function, the collection provision for the information, chief executive research study. Advisory function, they are advised to the chief executive in the making decision. Supervisory function, they seeing to chief executive decisions implemented by the function. LDY to ensure the chief executive adequately currently informed to assist the foreseeing problem, ensure the matter for the decision reach to the desk promptly and protect against the hasty ill-considered judgment, to execute the every matter that can be settled elsewhere to protect them, secure the means of ensuring compliance and subordinate money and relay. More eyes and more ears, more hands in there should be carrying out the plans. The general staff which assists the chief executive administrative work generally advise collecting the information, research. Fundamental purpose is general, and the technical staff advise to the chief executive technical matter and functional supervision. Auxiliary staff provide the common housekeeping services. LD White and Willoughby is the auxiliary staff category of the staff separate, so which is the auxiliary service. Willoughby refer to the institutional housekeeping service cons. Auxiliary technical auxiliary is the central public work department, law ministry, finance ministry, information broadcasting, UPSC, parliamentary affairs and director general. This staff agency advice to the agency, while the auxiliaries provide the common housekeeping. Auxiliary agency to have the operating responsibility, and auxiliary agencies access limited authority and make the decision in their own spheres. The staff agency have multiple functions. Staff agency do not have access authority and do not make the decisions, but wider jurisdiction. The auxiliary agency is the concern with the maintaining the line agency. Line and staff conflict. The staff agency being close to the chief executive tend to the usurp the authority by line agency. Difference between line staff is termed to the age, status, outlook. Staff is of the ivory tower, suggests the unrealistic plans and ideas, while the leading to the misunderstanding and tensions. The tendency of the line officials to disallow the responsibility blame to the staff. Staff officials tend to discover the deficiency in the work. The chief executive should clearly specify nature, responsibility, line and staff. This is enabled to hold their responsible mistakes. The opportunity to exchange the role should be created, that is, there should be a periodic transfer between the line and staff. The chief executive should encourage both to get the better acquainted with the each to the with the mutual role. It should be highlighted the desirability of the close relationship with line and staff official accomplishes the purposes. The line should be given the training and the staff works and enable them to know the proper aspect of the dimensions responsibility. Matrix organization can be adopted to overcome the problem of the line staff controversy. Theory of the administration. Scientific management. Frederick Taylor, decade 20th century. Henry Fayol, Hersey Metcalfe developed views to scientific management. Louis Brandeis Taylor was used to the given the complete systematic expansion of scientific method techniques, promoting the organization efficiency, and came to be known as father of scientific management. Taylorism, pieced system, 1895, shop floor, 1903, art of cutting metal, 1906, principle of scientific management, 1911, and Taylor. Many of the management thinkers contributed to the growth of scientific management. L.D. Grant and the Emerson, Gilbert and the Gilbert Barth. Scientific management movement had significant administrations, and this government organization split the country, including USSR stakeholder movement 1940. According to the Taylor management, true science and rules and regulations, so type of organization, the same principle can be applied to the equal all society management over homes and the management of over firms, management of the business. Scientific management concerns application of scientific methods and the production of the processes. This organization is studying the relationship between physical nature and the physiological nature, technical, and improving the organization efficiency. During this, the organization functions or can improve the application of the scientific method. Good work for the who does not have actions. Accept the order of every worker, economic man, he is motivated by the monetary factor. Soldering phenomena is tendency worker for restrict the output. Here is the systematic soldering, superior expert work for performance all level. Develop the science of each level of the mains work, rule of thumb. Scientific selection of the train, each of the developed workmen. Management should be fully cooperate with the worker and so as to ensure the work is done according to the scientific principle. There must be equal division of the work and responsibility between the management and workmen, and greater part of the responsibility. Science not rule of thumb, harmony not discord, cooperation not individual, maximum output in case of restricted output. Development of the each man and greater efficiency and prosperity. Scientific management according to the Taylor, evolution of the work is towards to the mental revolution, realization of both the parties and mutual trust. Taylor principal object to management should be secure the maximum prosperity of the couple, maximum prosperity employ. Appendix his work and the authority of the industry by maximizing productivity efficiency. Scientific management would be also maximize the earning to the worker employees and between the capital and the labor. Now techniques are there. Scientific management facilitate the application of the principle of scientific management mentioned above. Functional foremanship, instruction clerk, time and cost, shop discipline, order work and route, gang boss, speed box, inspector, repair boss, and the worker. It has the 8 functional bosses. Motion study, standardization of work. It involves the observation all the motions comprises the particular job and the determining best policy. Thus, it is designed to determining the preferred work method and the consideration of the tool, equipment, raw material, and body motion. Time study is facilitate the planning large day task. Use the shop floor essential technique. Differential piece system was there is the worker to the paid low piece work rate and standard higher piece work rate. Obviously, this plan payment is make the worker for their best effort. Tailor is the piece rate system and the quick to the effective. Then the profit sharing and worker exceptional principal reward for the target penalty. Not meeting tailor suggested not interested to standardize of the old tools and implement the trade and as well as the movement to mnemonic system for the clarifying the manufacturing product and well the implement use in the manufacturing and setting up the space separate planning set the department use the time and serving the implement the side rules modern course system routine system instruction Taylor followers improve to the bonus system emphasize the habit of the industry design the chart for the progress work could be plotted to continuous arrange the timetable for the inverted to the flow charts and Gilbert redefined the time and motion study and development of the one best way for the thirding in the elements. Clearly define objective, common sense, competent consultation, discipline, fair deal, reliable, immediate records, dispatching, standard schedule, standard condition, standard operation, written standards and efficiency. Cook Universe Morris Cook is the technique for scientific management. Differ from Taylor in another aspect suggests to the participation of the worker one best way of the Taylor view to the only expert in job analysis. Criticism, it may be the criticize the partial theory of the organization, concern shop floor and activity, neglected organization process and beyond. It is not stressed to the integration and coordination of the higher level of organization. Criticize the mechanistic theory of organization, and this is interpreted organization efficiency. It was criticized on the ground of that undermine the oversimplified human motivation and explain the human motivation mainly term the economic factor. Psychological aspect was not there. So the Hawthorne study conducted the Alton Muir revealed to the social and psychological factor no less important economic factor determining the performance of organization. View to the MP Follett, Drucker and the Oliver Sheldon. Psychological physiological theory Simon and March concerned with only the range of worker, and now greatest opposition from the labor and the Taylor principle resolved to the dispute between the employee and worker. Terrorism concerned not only to the role but also the growth of the Robert Hoxie was deal with the scientific management, and management first would be the judgment direction due to the adoption of the scientific administration was the Monet, Rayleigh, Fayol, Shelton, Monet and the Merivitz paper science of administration, and Janet classical approach. Classical theory on the various name of the traditional theory, formal organization, mechanistic theory, management process school, the scientific efficiency, shop floor organization, broader for this feature of the specialization, hierarchy, rationality, impersonality, scientific advocate, the economic man and the motivated to the economic factor. Classical thinker was there, that is the administration respective nature, type and context, type organization state, Mohit Bhattacharya assertion, positive universally administration. General thesis was there, govern the administration of the human association principle can be studied. The technical questions is respective person of the this personal comprising. Fayol was activity, industrial undertaking, element of administration, principle of administration. So this was not this administration with private administration. We are no longer confined several administration. Technical, commercial, financial, security, accounting, managerial activity. To foster the plan to organize that is built up the dual structure to command, coordinate, to control and administration as the PO-CCC. Okay, so according to the Fayol, ability is the technical ability required to the higher level in the organization. Technical ability lower level and the ladder to the management ability believed to the administration ability cannot be developed knowledge alone. Division of work, authority, discipline, unity of command, unity of direction, subordinate interest, remuneration, centralization, skeleton, order, equity, stability, initiative, spirit, the corps. Whether the soundness of the good worker or the corporate depends upon the certain conditions. So nothing rigid absolute management affair in this seldom to the apply to the twice in the identical condition. First, it coordination principle indispensable, and without the principle darkness and chaos is proportion will be there. It will be the principle to lighthouse fixing the bearing and ready. Division of the work is specialization which is involved the people is demand for the ability to the various authority and responsibility interrelated. Authority is not to concern with apart from responsibility. Natural consequence essential for this made to distinction between the manager, official authority, personality, and lead to the this discipline. Good superior all level agreement, clear and fair possible sanction judicially. Application energy and the respect to unity of command, dividing the authority in imperfect demarcation, constant linking of the different departments. Authority undermined discipline under the stability threatened. He stated the individual cannot achieve the dual command. Unity of direction, coordination are there. Unity of direction should not be confused with unity of command. According unity of direction provided for the sound organization of the body of corporate command turned to the function of the personality. Unity of command exists without unity of direction. Subordinate individual to the general interest, fairness to the good example, part of superior agreement, fair possible, constant supervision, general business condition, economic position, business value for the employer, mode of the payment adoption. So payment time, job preset, business profit sharing, non financial reward. Centralization division of the work belong to the nature order, and the Fayol brought to the animal and social. They stated that the centralization present to the greater and lesser organization. The question is centralization. Scalar chain. Fayol defined the scalar chain linked to the all communication transmitted to the principle of unity of command. Path is timed linearly and spatially to the larger organization. Fayol says alternative routes of gangplank. Order is there, material order, human social order, same to the human order. Equity is their combination of kindness and justice and treated to the all kindness, encouraged to the career or the duty with the devotion to the loyalty. Stability of the tenure and the personal tenure, personal both the cause and effect of the learning initiative. For the organization, it is strength of the business, split the corps and the tail. It is concentrated shop floor work, bottom and top. Main concern was to improve the productivity, emphasis the efficiency and the productivity. It's concerned with the high level work from the top to bottom level concern, but develop the universal and general theory of the management. Emphasize the functional management, war of the principle, focus on improving the overall administration. Idea based on the personal experiences, stress on the administration side of the work, studied the macro aspect of the management. Approach is flexible, practitioner advocated the principle of unity of command, provided systematic theory and principle relevant full of the area. It is principal techniques are relevant to the mainly the production activity, advocated the principle of functional foremanship, science and known to the micro theory and technical and scientific experiment. Realize that the efficient management of the problem of the personal is key industrial success. Both applied scientific method of problem management, both framed to the both management and the rational systematic, both experience industry and develop the idea through the practical and the experience phases, mutual coordination between the employee and employee, attainment of the goal. Both believe to the managerial quality can be achieved by the training. Universal contribution to the Gulliker and Woodwick paper in science administration. This is classical theory was elaborated. The Henry Fayol stressed the important structure of the organization, impossible humanity, and this such as isolation. Consider the organization mainly design process fell to the lack of design, illogical, cruel, wasteful, hence observed to the reason for the mechanistic parallel. Gulliker and Woodwick given to the discovery of the neutral principle based on which is the formal organization, division of work based on the departmental organization, coordination and decentralization, unity of command, staff line, delegation, span of control. So there was Gulick identified the 4 B's of the statement of the 4B formula according to planning, organizing, staffing, directing, coordinating, reporting, budgeting, principal objective, corresponding principal responsibility, scalar principle, principal span of control, principal specialization, coordination, definition, applicative appropriateness, assignment to the function, authority, centralization, element of the administration of the 29th principle. Henry Fayol formulated the principle of the Monet and Rayleigh process effect, and before it Grecunas was given this command, control, coordination principle, delegation, determinant, discipline, equity, forecasting, functional definition, general interest, initiative, interpretation, investigation, leadership, order, definition, planning, rewards, scalar process, selection, spirit, stability, staffing. Contribution of coordination is Monet given the orderly arrangement of the group effort to the provide the unity of actions. According coordination is the first principle of an organization, and so which further coordination is no less than the determining the principle of organization. Scalar, Monet and Rayleigh given the scalar principle through the supreme coordinating authority operating throughout the whole of the organization. Scalar principle is given. Functional differentiation means to the kind of duty. This is concept division of the labor and explain the difference between the general and the line and staff. Recognizing the role of the advice information according to the money expansion of the personality executive, it means to the more I more here, and it is to criticize the unscientific theory and support to eliminate the critic of the theory, full inconsistency and lack of sophistication. Simon Dwight Walder stated the method of the use to the classical school criticized human dimension, and that is social psychological aspect of the management. Warren Bennis remarked to the classical theory of the organizational output, and Mark Simon have described the machine model. Classical theory describes the atomistic and voluntaristic because believe that the human being immune to the social control. Theory characterizes the mechanistic because dynamic of the organization behavior. It is the organization machine. Thus underestimated the human factor. Important critics was the Herbert Simon described the principle, proverbs and myths. It is almost every principle can be defined to the equally plausible and acceptable contradictory principles. Also, the principle attention are at based a criteria for describing and diagnosing the admin situation. All the principles are to be the considered design of an efficient admin organization. This theory is also been criticized oversimplified human motivation. It is assumed to be the economic man who interested in maximizing the income according to the not to the non-economic factor. Social psychological factor. Hawthorne experiment conducted the alternate may appear to be the non-economic factor. Classical theory was the normative theory, and because of the more concern with the what ought to be done, It's unlike the behavioral approach, it did not study the actual behavior of the organization. The classical theory is the described static model. Organization is closed system environment. This system is approach to organization highlighted drawback of the classical theory. Classical theory critical ground and only the formal organization, informal organization process, decisions, objective, efficient way. According to the artist, there is the basic incongruence between need of mature and immature personality. Application of principle make the employee passive, independent. March and Simon have pointed out the following limitation: the motivation assumption theory of improper role of intra-organization conflict is there. Theory is given a little consideration to the constraint placed in the man of the complex information. Role of cognition tasks are there, okay, and appear to the common sense concern the problem display the problem management bias. The classical thinker developed the significant science of administration. Woodrow Wilson, father of public admin, first proponent that admission itself separately to resolve the intellectual investigation. Classical theory promoted use of certain management techniques such as the report, accounting, budgeting, and formulating the concept. Admission developed by the terminology of the authority responsible delegation. Classical theory is the political prescription is constrained, logical, rational, and the efficient structure. Classical theory played an important role in the rationalizing services production industrial organization. Where limitation there, so administration is many administration reform is there, including Brownlow Committee, First Hoover and Second Hoover Commission. Bureaucracy is first coined by the Vincent Gournay, French economist, 1745. State we have the illness, the France which bids bear to the play havoc. Will illness called the bureaumania. The term bureaucracy in the FM Marx, which was the first used the French bureaucratic. French is the commerce 18th century government operation spread the German through 19th century. Bureaucratic, which is English and language. Thomas Carlyle described the spread term of the continental nuisance. Classical writing bureaucracy came to the Karl Marx, Max Weber, and Robert Michel in Grunto Moscow. They stated the Mohit Bhattacharya concept of the bureaucracy occupied the central position. And according to the Marx, the bureaucracy is stated the institute of the dominant class and domination of the classes. According to the logic, bureaucracy is closely linked to the dominant by the state. Robert Michel, political party, proponent the concept of the oligarchy. According to the concept of the oligarchy system, stated the organization power to the concern with the head of few oligarchy phenomena, possible internal democracy. Moscow ruling class classify the political system into the two categories. Bureaucratic, he said the bureaucracy is based on government and big empire. Max Weber held to the position of the galaxy administration, political thinker, and this was the become synonymous to bureaucracy. All rightly observed the S.R. Marshallman credit of the systematic formulation of bureaucratic theory and the Max Weber founded to the modern sociological study and connotation emphasize the indispensable bureaucratic rational attainment of the goals. Max Weber called the formulation of ideal type and the mental map that consists priority in the mental constraint cannot be found to empirically. Mohit Bhattacharya Weberian formulation was there and therefore to the sociological concept of the rationality conceptual framework was cannot be understood properly without understanding the typology of this theory of authority. Individual body, individual rule, individual body, individual rule. The will of the ruler influence the conduct of the rules and expression of the will command. Evidence of the influence ruler and the term of the objective. Direct indirect influences, probability of which is the social relationship and the quality. So authority of the probability is the command with the greatest specific content compared to the power, authority, and legitimacy, obedience, and the command for the subordinate legitimacy. According to Weber, authority is synonymous with authority in power and command, and they call the domination. Traditional authorities. This obedience system is the occupy the traditional sanctions positions. So the obligation of the obedience matter is the personal loyalty, and area of the occupation is the obligations. Administration staff under the traditional authority is the feudal. In case of the former system, administration to the consular personal, and this was the consist of the feudal lords. Charismatic authority was the charismatic authority. Systematic consists of the position, charismatic quality, and the personal devotion of the leader. Significant charismatic authority is a breakdown and the leader when the charismatic qualities are there. Regulation is the regulatory to the normative rules. It extends to the exercising the authority. Virtue of the formal legality, its legal courts and establishing can be claimed to the obedience of member organization. Admission looks to the inter-organization and law or system rules and regulation. The main exercising authority obey the impersonal order. Only cured that was the law obedience not to the person but authority but impersonal order. Administrative staff under legal rational authority in order to the bureaucracy is the administration system of the legal rational system. Head of the bureaucratic organization occupy the position of the virtue of the that world administration staff college is authority consists of appointing individual official. Bureaucratic of the subject of the authority only the official capacity. Weber theory of the social economic organization, Tolkien person and the Henderson. There are the organizations clearly define the hierarchy and the office under the control supervision. Each office is clearly defined the sphere of competence, legal sense, sphere of obligation, perform the functions, provision for the equipment with the necessary authority, carry out the functions, necessary means of compulsion, fill the conceptual relation with the technical qualification, tested the examination of the guaranteed diplomat, certifying the technical training, right pension. Official always free to resign. The appointments can also be terminated, and the office is treated as a sole occupation and constitute to the career with the system, promoting the seniority, achievement of both promotion, dependent judgment of superior. Official work entirely for the ownership of means of administration without appropriation. He is subject to the strict systematic discipline. Former includes the division of work, hierarchy, system of rules, role, speciality, rationality, impartiality, rule orientation, neutrality. According to the Weber, purely bureaucratic type of administration organization, monocratic from the purely technical point of view to the capable attaining the high degree of the efficiency. Most rational is for the carrying out the control, human being superior to any of the organization, and stability, discipline, reliability, superior, intensive efficiency, capable of the kind of the administration, completely indispensable. People rule by the monocratic organization. Collegiality is the involvement of the more than one person decision making, separation of power between division and responsibility. Amateur administrations are there unbiased. Direct democracy, placing the bureaucrat under the supervision of guidance of assembly to ensure the accountability, representation, control in the body embedded the parliament. Creation of money economy, emergence of capital economy, growth, emergence of complex administration problem, development of modern means of communication, growth of rationalism and population. It was characterized by the machine theory due to the concern of the formal structure described. The closed system did not have into the detail inertia, cannot function in an unstable environment suitable for the routine and the repetitive jobs. So Tolkien person questioned the internal inconsistency. Ideal data of bureaucracy to have a two attribute to the Weber attribution is professional expertise and the right to give to the order given the conflict. So the because it is impossible to ensure the high position in the hierarchy. Robert Merton argued to the bureaucracy is the adherence to the rules and regulation, displacement of the goal where the instrument value become a terminal value, develop the rigidity, formalism, ritualism, and the question to the rationality. Weberian legal rational model is a product to the dysfunctional, and this dysfunctional consequence implied to the which determinate attainment of the organizational goal. Felix Algic, decentralization, delegation authorities, departmentalization, organizations, displacement of the goal. Gardner opined as the promulgation additional rules and mechanistic product. So bureaucracy is punishment centered and rules consider the imposed. They are the group representative bureaucracies regard to the technical, cosmopolitan and local. Michael Corbier bureaucracy is rigid organization, and Veblen bureaucracy is the describe the trained incapacity. Davy occupational psychosis, and the Thompson given bureaucratic, that was Thompson propathic and pathology. Simon and Bernard given that is the administrative efficiency structural approach दी थी इन्होंने, ठीक है ना. साइमन एंड मार्च ने कहा था कि बुक ऑर्गेनाइजेशन दैट वाज हैंड्स टू कैटेगरी ऑफ क्लासिकल थिंकर, and Robert Prisnus given the model is not suitable for the developing country. Rix Weber ideal model because is not particularly relevant to the developing the countries, and Venice given the temporary society. The temporary society is said to be the replace the adaptive temporary work system. Venice Lord Rudolph and the Suzanne Rudolph. The Weberian model is the continuous organization efficiency, and this is because it built according to them source of the alienations and mitigate the struggle. Bureaucratic element is the patrimonial administration enhance the efficiency. Laws of it given the organization rationality, systematic rationality, and refer to the adaptation of requirement environment. Is Weberian model does not facilitate the systematic rationality. William Dunleavy is the economic growth and developing the country. Weber rational type of the bureaucracy. La Palambra is the bureaucracy and the political development. So this was the effective Weberian bureaucracy is the Western bureaucracy Blau given the changing environment for the depend of the changing in the bureaucratic structure. Spitzer given the Weber's claim to the bureaucracy is the modern phenomena, and the Creel given the element of the Weber bureaucracy where the content of 2nd century, and the Spitzer quoted the example of 19th century. Frederick ideal and the type of the Weber type, and Peter given the managerize of the level of incompetence bureaucracy. Bendix given the Webers and brought the book entitled to the Weber intellectual portrait, argued there was a general social political value. Frederick Burian given the public liability and public accountability. Follett given the regarded the bridge between the Speaker of the House of New State, creative experience, dynamic administration, Urwick and the Metcalf के साथ लिखी थी. Various principle given. The Follett discussed the following: organization analysis, classical thinker believed to the universally principle, but Ulrich Metcalf conception of this day is the problem is maintaining the human cooperation conduct the enterprises. Follett conflict organization in individual differences. Conflict is not welfare but the only appearance of difference opinion and among the different category. So Follett domination is victor, one side of our compromise is the super sum of the part. Integration finding the new solutions, and the conflict should be conceived to the wasteful, harmful, but the formal should be handled by the constructive. Resolve the ones for the all original conflict. Make use of better techniques, emergence of new values and situation, breaking down to the whole demands and constraint. Examine real meaning of the symbol. Preparing the responses. High degree of the intelligence, perception, discrimination, brilliant people theory instead of the suggesting obsession for the managing with their power to the most them try to power over language which is aroused to the antagonism. People are not trained to making the integration most important obstacle. Integration conscious attitude, responsive attitude, experimental attitude, result oriented attitude. For it giving the order to the similar to the affairs and hence to the job of the superior, not the mildly giving orders. Should learn to manipulate subordinate and order without the question, habit, pattern, mental attitude, time, circumstances. For it should be avoid the extreme, that is the bossism. Concern with the study of the situation, discover the new situation. There is nobody is obey the anybody but the allowed to the order. Therefore, they should be come to the actions, not from the depersonalization of the order. New concept of the power, the use the integration, correct use of circular behavior, use of the law and situation. Power with more advantageous than power over it is self-determining. Joint developed power should be there. Benefit the individual group using power with is joint power to individual group or authority and responsive. All distinguished to the authority. Authority belong to the job. It cannot be delegated. The term delegation authority is thus obsolete expression. Authority must be functional. Functional authority carries the responsibility. Therefore, the advocated to the functional authority, pluralistic authority, cumulative authority. This is the idea of the final authority, and real authority is organization is sum of the all of the smaller authority. Responsibility is authority attributed to the function of the situation. Organization. Follett said the question what is to the responsible and the whom to responsible. Therefore, they advocated the idea of the functional responsibility, cumulative responsibility, and rejected the idea of the final responsibility. Pluralistic responsibility, level of the participation of policy making. Taylor, Fayol, Gulick, and other classical theory are the correct control, superimpose control, fact control, and thus the control of organization is cumulative and pluralistic, not concerned with the top level. Leadership is the position, personality, and the function. This is the position, functional knowledge, and modern organization does not the formal and the formal personality view to the successful operation. Coordination to investigate the part of the into the effective unit, defining purpose to clearly pattern the objective of organization. Anticipation to have a insight into the faith and future to organize the experience of the group, make the all level of the more effective. Develop leadership and subordinate. Follett established to the nexus between planning, coordination, and the principle of the planning. Prominent to है for the harmonious ordering parts. Coordination, direct contact early stage में होना चाहिए, continuous होना चाहिए, reciprocal होना चाहिए. Idea of the Bernard given MP Follett in the first blonde behaviors emphasize on the socio-psychological aspect of administration, decision making, and the Simon New human relation, Agris, Census, Linkert, and Bernard Maslow, Frederick, understanding the organization behavior and the landmark. Executive operation management. Formal organization is cooperative system that was the willingness to cooperate, communication, and common purpose. Communicate to the willing to the cooperate with is accomplished by the common purpose. Communication is fact opinion suggests to the suspicious, maintaining the cohesiveness of the relating to the social psychological minor feeling of the personal integrity, self-respect, independent choice. Fernand regarded informal organization mean to maintaining the personality, individual and certain to the distinguished. This is he believed to the organization natural system and formal organization. For the context is the Bernard vitalized material inducement of the money, personal non-material or distinction, desirable physical condition of the work, ideal beneficiaries, participation for individual participation would be organization inducement, overweight contribution to the organization's capacity of the effective sufficient quantity of the maintaining the equilibrium. When the understood the communication not inconsistent purpose, communication is complete and it's able to the mentally physically comply with the communication. So subordinate of the character communication is formal organization and contribution is organization governing determining to the not to the organization concern. John therefore executive that will be the John. So extent of the journal determining the contribution equilibrium. Mana suggested the principle of communication, channel communication. Everyone organizing must have the formal channel communication. Communication must be the direct person serving communication contrast to the etiquette होना चाहिए. Complete formal line communication is not interrupted and it's authenticated. Strategic factor decision making, subconscious, automative, responsive factor decision may be organization more logical, rational. Bernard stated decision maker should be distinguished, relevant and fulfillment organization purposes. Hostile नहीं होना चाहिए. Analyzing the situations, modifying the influences, maintaining the system of communication, securing the essential effort to serving the subordinate, motivating them to exert themselves, organization purpose, formulating, defining purposes. Simon developed the sort of Bernard, connecting the bounded rational model, satisfying behavior against the maximizing behavior, advocate, classical thinker, Weber, Taylor, and important behavior further. Human relation is the Mayo, sociological, psychological, individual behavior to the critical failure to the part of the humanistic theory. Socio-economic neoclassical theory is the American sociological theory to the concentrated study of the worker behavior and production capacity. Psychological, sociological, textile, Philadelphia first inquiries measures to the human problem and civilization, social problem, political problem, and is Lisberg, Dixon, and the Warner. Illumination experiment determining the effect of the different level. Relay assembly room that was the observe the various changes. Mass interviewing to taking the interview humanitarian. बैंक वायरिंग बेटर टू द इनफॉर्मल ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस के बारे में बताओ. सोशल इफेक्ट ऑफ द वर्क प्लेस, सोशल सिस्टम, न्यू नॉन इकोनॉमिक रिवार्ड्स आर देयर, बिहेवियर मॉरल आउटपुट्स, worker not inner to the isolated unrelated individual but the social animal, division of the labor, strictly specialization, worker are tendency to form the small group and the worker react to the management for the informal worker, leadership stress over communication and participation. Individual theory of the recognized importance for the individual and organizations are determining the human relations. Each person unique, each bringing to situational attitude, belief and life skills, technical, social, logical. And he can collate his shadow organization and the formal organizations. Social aspects are there. Informal organizations, customary and formal organization is not written to the subject to the need of diagrams. Informal organization tend to the emotional and personal while the formal organization tend to rational. Informal organization societal while the formal organization are the legal होते हैं. One should not be done too much work, that is the rate buster, chiseler, turn to too little work, and squealer, supervisor, anything not tell. Don't attempt to maintain social distance of the that was inspector. Human relation theory highlight the effects of the Russell hypothesis derivative recorded mankind hurts to the too often we solve the human problem non-human tools term to the non-human data. It is the simple thesis problem required of the human solution. Human problem as a solution required of the human data and human tool. Participative will permit the worker to discuss the supervise the influence of decision, develop the sense of participation, highly productivity, worker environment, alienation of the work, acceptance of the goals, advocacy, participations, worker conditions. Classical human is rejected dismissal of classical theory, highlight the critical gaps, critical approaches. It has rejected the concept of advocacy, classical theory and concept economic man and formal institutionalization. Human relationships, classical thinkers accepted the efficiency, productivity. They differ from the traditional basic approach to the intergroup relationship, emphasizes formal structure, views the organization as the impersonal, irrational, economic and psychological, mechanical. Behavior is the roles regulation assumed to people homogeneous, emphasis on the authoritarian style of superhuman authority, organization efficiency depend upon the structure, physical environment, emphasis the informal, various emotional, social man, psychological, socio-psychological behavior product to the attitude, sentiments, employ, emphasize the democratic value, social views, and efficiency depend upon the human relations satisfaction. Taylor propounded the concept economic when view the worker isolated, focus on the tools and procedure, advocated autocratic, assume organization managed through rational logical, assume to organization manage the social, emotional, participative management people group is that is the psychological social dimension, worker as the social animal and the social man. He is the concern the motivation of the worker only monistic theory, worker group being to be the totally hostile and states to technical style rebel hypothesis. Rebel hypothesis is the hard hypothesis, social skills and social psychological economic studies, satisfaction, moral, motivation. What attempt to discover the cause and lower productivity, harmony and cooperation make due to the worker employee responsible for the output of restriction. Both emphasize on the approach to the management should be scientific, efficiency and economy and the industrial conflicts. A critical evaluation election carries given the Hawthorne experiments is lack of scientific base. Critics are behavioral worker during the experiment, not natural but the influence of the feeling and attention of the public. Research telling David Berish is critical human relations are the cow sociologist. Johnny is the human relations are much attention to the informal relationship. Drucker is given the human relation, neglected the nature of the work and the interpersonal relation. Bandy is given their defined sharp ethical presupposition of scientific work. Sale given the Harvard group methodology. Defensive critics are say no place for the tensions. Critics human place theory is not explore the multidimensional phenomena. Marxists say the maximalism new techniques explore the behavior. Critics say that Mayo's concentration is the organization neglected the work purpose and the attitude. Basic theme was behavioral approach was given by the Elton Mayo and behavioral scientist. For this developed the Chester Bernard, Simon Abraham Maslow and Buckey. So behavioral approach was given socio-psychological approach, new human relation aimed to the scientific study of the organization behavior, practical for the human behavior organization system and this conclusion of socio-psychological and psychological anthropology. Scientific manner and the brief the behavioral approach was the scientific and the human organization. Science populated the admission behavior human being is to be the organization, aspiration of desires and behavior is the psychology and the motivation of social environment. So values are there and behavior is the people subject to the influence of student and this will be the method of the social psychology. Descriptive analysis of this is concerned with the actual behavior of the people organization. Deal with the can be the investigated objectivity, emphasis on the informal relation of the communication patterns, pay to the attention to dynamic organization behavior, motivation, leadership, decision making, empirical methodology of the scientific methods, mainly concern quantification mathematical theory, stick to the scientific content of the administration and classical thinkers stress on the provincial approaches, introduce regulatories, verification techniques, quantification values, systematization, pure science and integration, pay the increased attention individual and relationship between the administration organization, study the organization social system and equal for the formal informal relationships, approach to the rational relationship of the organization, more attention to the mean of communications, the complex aggregate human behavior, replace the theory of sovereignty and this traditional theory of sovereignty gave birth to the theory of hierarchical structure, command and the graduated delegation, new theory of the legitimacy and tendency to analyze the reason for the considers to the individual well the collectivity and obey the orders. Research and human relations research implying to the Bernard Simon module for the organization equilibrium, aiming to the several growth of the organization interrelationship motivation, decision making and primary emphasis cognitive process, contribution of the Chris algorithm from infant to the towards the adult activity from dependence towards the relative interdependent limited behavior to the many different behavior, erratic shallow to the more stable behavior, term respective long term perspective, subordinate to the superordinates, lack of self awareness to the self awareness. So there was even organization may try to the claim the organization hierarchy and tries to reach higher level of the where the incongruency less. He is the defensive mechanism apathetic. So this is classical theory is safe to the incongruence, and when people are become mature, structure organization made this strict and logical and command that is organization. Fusion theory was there attend a self-actualization and realization of personalization process. So socialization, this summary operation as this process is called the fusion theory. Suggests the change in the classical form organization, matrix organization, and the self-disciplined individual around the relevant information. Recommend a T-group training and sensitive design to the opportunity individual and learn to the nature of the group functions. Recognition double loop learning, which is the learning other than self-perpetuating technique. So job enlargement for the feeling of the responses. Suggested participative leadership and leader to the consult the subordinate while the working of the this suggests to the suggesting to the facility integrating the individual needs. Contributor McGregor theory X and Y. Theory X was given Y represent a behavioral approach, and theory X given the classical approach. X work centered theory, Y is the people centered. Every human being is the inherently dislike the work. Human characters dislike the work and directed threatened to the punishment. Every human being is directed wishes to responsibility avoiding. Theory Y is given there expenditure physical and mental effort to the play the rest. The average human being is not even dislike the work depending control condition. Control and threat to the punishable are not the only means of the bringing the about the towards the organization objective. Commitment is the function the most significant, such as the reward example. Satisfaction of self-actualization can be the direct product of the direct toward the organization objective. Average human being learn under the proper conditions and accept the responsibility. Capacity to exercise the relative high degree of imagination and creativity in the solutions under the condition. Modern industrial life, intellectual personality, human being. McGregor given goal setting, communication, leadership, supervision, control, motivation. Theory X is organization goal, downward, autocratic, directive, close, external, punitive, and coercive, fault finding. Theory Y is a problem solving, rewarding, internal based, self control, downward, upward, and democratic participation. Contribution Rancis Linkert, pattern of management, human organization, new way of the managing the conflicts is given by appropriate strategy. Pattern of management 61, human organization 67. New way of managing the conflict 76. He was mainly concerned with managing the efficiency, achieving the goal, system and explorative, benevolent, participative, supervisory style principle, supportive resolution, thinking pin model, interaction, influence system. Kurt Lewin, that was group dynamics and field theory. Roger given clinical approach. Moreno given study interpersonal relationships. Maslow hierarchical of the needs. Moreno given interpersonal relationship. Hajek motivation hygiene. Warren Bennis laboratory training or T group training. Bennis given. McLean given acquired needs theory and achievement motivation theory. Blake modern managerial grid theory. George Homas given the human group and the mutual dependency theory. Idea of the Maslow object will be discussed in detail later in the connection with the motivation and the administrative behavior. It has given the substantial situation to the origin of the group. Growth of comparative public admin due to the methodology of testing hypothesis cross-cultural, cross-nation context of the ballot. It has strongly highlighted the inadequacy classical approach and Simon before a science developed principle it must be process concept. It has given the scientific research and the systematic theory for the advocacy and approach. It has new dimension public administration useful to such as improve the communication and communication. It brought a new socio-psychological insight decision making and revealed to the administrative process highlight the influence human sentiments field of public administration skill experience technique concepts and the study the public and legal structure. So it makes the public rather than study relevant to the major issue of public policy cannot explain the value oriented value free knowledge and useful valid applied to the study of small organization does not suggest that anything greatly improve the overall functioning of administration explain what is rather than the prescribed adequate function framework is understand the phenomena. Kurt Lewin gave to the initial impetus to the evolution of organization history or there the organization management from the top increase the organization effectiveness planned intervention using the behavioral science organization development and utilization to improve the individual member ability to get the member competence legitimize human emotions to increase the mutual understanding, reduce the tension, enhance the team management, develop the more effective techniques to conflict solution, evolve the less structure, more organic. Volker person given input output process and feedback environment. So this was the Aurora concept of system involved to the part of system interaction between the system and environment. System complex full as number of parts, subsystems are there that so receive the inputs environment and send to the outputs requirements. The facilitate the feedback mechanism. Synergy is the result, homeostasis is equilibrium, cybernetics is feedback, organism cohesiveness, isoemphasis similar property, equally finality similar result, entropy disintegration, social biological mechanical closed system closed system positive entropy, technical subsystem mechanical process supportive subsystem maintenance adaptive cycle social managerial system, total objective of the system to system का environment क्या resources क्या components क्या है. So unlike partial classical human relations, overall the macro paradigm study of organization outcome of the limited. Ludwig Banzhafsky biologist developed general system theory. Fourier took the system view of the organization, writing this on this organization system. Chenard, Bernard, cooperative social Maynard given cybernetics is given the organization, and Herbert Simon, chief of the system, analyzing the decision making organization with the March hierarchy given the modern organization, and Philip Salzik given the system approach to study the government and the other large complex organization, and Tavistock Institute of Human Relation, England, given the literature organization. And classical system view the organization closed system, emphasis on the static structure, theory एक formal dimension rigid होते हैं, motivation कम होता है, orders होते हैं, इसमें improve the mix suggestion organization functioning scientific method bureaucratic tend to the deterministic assume to the single factor. यहाँ पे होते हैं multi factor problematic only describe the organization phenomena, explain the human motivation, flexible होता है, all dimensions होती है, पॉजिटिव सेंस होता है, यहाँ पे एम्फेसिस डायनेमिक प्रोसेस एंड द एनवायरनमेंट भी होता है. ठीक है. क्लासिकल थ्योरी जो थी मैक्स वेबर, थ्योरी टेलर, एफ डब्ल्यू टेलर, एंड क्लासिकल थ्योरी इज द वीक ऑर्गेनाइजेशन नेगलेक्टेड द इनफॉर्मल यूनिवर्सल डिजाइन structure. Also known the situational theory. Classical theory is known the closed system, and the open system was the open model organization analysis. It is critical to abstract the over conceptualization vague, and this was the critics conceptual framework. So critics is the approach to the property direct applications, critical ground of not offered to the techniques and tools. So it is said to be the system approach is recognize different system and specify the nature of interaction, interdependence, integrated synthetic, classical, neoclassical, modern conceptualization, organization, environment, and risks. Now facilitate the contingency management, situational management, collegial, competitive, market, informal, natural. So modern James Starker book of the management innovation is provided the ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. रूटीन टास्क होता है क्लोज में, टास्क स्पेशलाइजेशन मीन्स आर एम्फेसाइज, कॉन्फ्लिक्ट्स होते हैं, रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी कम होती है, वंस सेंस ऑफ रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी, लॉयल्टीज टू ब्यूरोक्रेटिक सब यूनिट टू विच इज द साइन, ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस पर्सिव टू द हायरार्किकल स्ट्रक्चर, नॉलेज इंक्लूसिव ओनली टू द टॉप ऑफ हायरार्की. फीचर ओपन मॉडल, नॉन रूटीन स्पेशलाइज नॉलेज होता है यहाँ पे, एंड्स और अदर देन द मीन्स, कॉन्फ्लिक्ट विद इन द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, इंटरेक्शन, शेयरिंग द रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी एंड फॉर्मल जॉब डिस्क्राइबिंग होना चाहिए, वन सेंस ऑफ रेस्पॉन्सिव लॉयल्टी होना चाहिए, ऑर्गेनाइजेशन पर्सिव टू द फ्लूड नेटवर्क एंड लुक knowledge can be located anywhere of the organization, know the somewhat relevant about the including the chief executive. Interaction of the between people in the organization and its style, interaction direct toward the obedience, command and clear, superordinate subordinate relation, loyalty, obedience is one superior, and organization generally emphasizes sometimes expressive performance, prestige, interview, that's personal status बहुत important होता है. फीचर ओपन मॉडल में इंटरेक्शन बिटवीन द पीपल ऑर्गेनाइजेशन एंड द हॉरिजॉन्टल and style interaction direct towards the accomplishment of advice and characterized by the method over to the obvious superordinate, and this is task achievement, excellent performance in the accomplished task, emphasized prestigious exercise, that is the personal status in the organization, one's professional ability repeated होना चाहिए. ठीक है. Now Nicholas Henry, Public Admin, Public Affair and Hall of India, 6th edition. अब है एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव बिहेवियर.